Welcome back, Trivia Champions. It's Sports History Friday. Is there a ghost in the machine today? Only one way to find out. What women's college basketball team, coached by Geno Auriemma, had an unprecedented winning streak of 90 consecutive games from 2008 to 2010? That's right, UConn Huskies. Which quarterback replaced an injured Drew Bledsoe in 2001 and went on to lead the New England Patriots to their first Super Bowl victory? Precisely, Tom Brady. What is the record for the fastest goal scored at the start of an NHL game? Precisely, 5 seconds. What year did Roger Federer win his first Wimbledon title? That's right, 2003. In 2016, Deflategate became a major controversy surrounding Tom Brady. What specifically was Tom Brady accused of? Precisely, ordering the deliberate deflating of footballs. Which NBA legend famously feuded with Isiah Thomas during the late 1980s and early 1990s? Correct, Michael Jordan. Wayne Gretzky is known as the Great One. But what number did he wear for most of his NHL career? Correct. Which of these players was the first to win an NBA MVP award unanimously? Precisely, Stephen Curry. What brand of golf ball was Tiger Woods using when he won his first Masters tournament in Nice? Correct, Titleist. In what year did Babe Ruth make his final appearance in a Major League Baseball game? That's right, 1930. That's a wrap. Hit follow so you don't miss food and drink tomorrow.